Did you know that nowadays you can request for a TikTok account verification? Many people thought that to get verified on TikTok you need 1 million followers and 1 million likes, which is not true. Nowadays you can request for TikTok verification and you get blue tick on your TikTok account. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to take you step by step guide how to request for a TikTok verification. Now as we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below so that this video reaches out to everyone who needs this information. And don't forget to subscribe guys if you are new to this channel. Now let's get started. Open your TikTok account and go to your profile. Guys, press on the menu button up in the corner. Then guys, press on settings and privacy. Then guys, press on account. And then press on verification. Now, to request for account verification, you must meet the basic requirements, enter account details, and show notability. Then guys, press on start. Now guys, here are the basic requirements. You must have a username, bio, and profile photo, verified your phone number and email, and turned off private account, which means your account have to be public. Then guys, press on next. Then guys, here you select the verification type, personal or institution. If your account is personal, you press on personal. Guys, here you enter the account details, username, you must enter username, full name, date of birth, and then nationality. I'm just entering any because I'm just showing you guys. You must enter your username, full name, date of birth, nationality, country, and then document type. And then guys, you have to choose a document type and then you take a photo of it. You can choose your national ID or a driver license. Then guys, you take a pic of it, of the front side and the back side, then you submit it. After, press on next. And then guys, on this page you're going to show notability. Are you a political or government figure? Press on no or yes. Category, you must select what describes you. Links, then guys, you're going to add any link, maybe your Facebook page or YouTube channel. Then after guys, you agree with the terms and conditions. Then after, you press on submit. That is how you can apply for a TikTok verification and you get blue tick on your TikTok account. But not guys, this service is not for everyone. It's only for notable people, and not in every country that you can get this service. Some people don't have it, but if you have it, you can apply right now. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.